Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Explorer.exe not starting with Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Just need to press Ctrl Shift plus Escape key to open up Task Manager, and just need to select Run a new task option and type here Explorer.exe and press enter. And now this will get normal, but this is temporary fix guys. When you restart your PC, it will be back to black screen. So here is the permanent fix. Go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select yes. Check my video description for this registry path. Just to copy and paste it and press enter. On right side you can able to see shell. Right click on the shell and select the delete option. Then select yes. And now close it up here and restart your PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to like guys. Thank you.